Do you boys know what you're actually doing?
Yeah, we're professional.
Now you are bringing your husband like you push him to
So
come.
he starts cooking. This is the whole point.
Alright, for you to bring.
Oh my god. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video here in the beautiful Marrakech, Morocco. In this video specifically guys, we are heading over to a local person's house here in Marrakech, and we're going to be actually learning how to cook the Moroccan cuisine. And no better way to actually learn a culture than actually diving deep within their food. So guys, make sure you stick around to the end of this video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, because there's going to be many videos around the world, especially here in Morocco. Anyway, let's jump straight into the video. This is Morocco, with a population of over 37 million people, situated in the north of Africa, a country full of culture, incredible food, beautiful architecture and fascinating people, also home to the famous Sahara Desert. We are officially with Nedja now, and she's going to be teaching us how to cook all the different types of tagines here. First, we are buying the meat, right?
Now we are getting some chicken from the side, and then we go to the other side to get some vegetables.
Okay, let's do it. So guys, what we're actually going to do, we're going to have 3 different types of tagines. One's going to be lamb, one's going to be chicken, and one is going to be beef. So we're going to get a taste of 3 different types of tagines here. And what she was also saying is we're going to try to cook it slightly differently. Got the tomatoes, love?
Yeah,
Are they good ones?
they're the good ones, yeah, apparently. Nice little homegrown tomatoes.
They need to be shiny and dark. The best one is the fresh one. If you see here, there is more green around.
So guys, what she was saying there as a kind of means of support here for the Moroccan people is that, for example, this gentleman over here, actually during COVID, he lost his shop. So what they basically did is like a fundraiser for everybody around the community, so they can basically buy this little bike type of thing for him, so he can go around and sell these vegetables and kind of make a living for himself. Essentially now we're just buying some vegetables off him, just to mainly support him, even though we've already got enough vegetables, but it's just to basically help him out.
And I grew up in the same house, and then nothing did really change in my life.
Yeah.
But it's not bad, because for my work, it's from here. For my work, it's easier to know everyone around me. So
Yes,
if it happens, anything, they are always there. So you will not stuck. You know, you will find a way. So this is my mother's house.
Oh,
So
lovely.
mine is
Alright guys, so this is going to be the kitchen where we're going to be cooking. As you can see, it's literally just a home kitchen here where they live here. So as you can see, very, very homely. They got the fridge, got the fireplace, or cooker shall I say, and all the bites. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're with the crew now, and we got France, Canada, Germany and Holland. So we've got a whole team here. Holland. Okay. So we've got a whole team here, guys, from all around the world, and we're going to be cooking up a Moroccan storm.
if we serve a whole glass of tea full, it means that you are not welcome. Because it's like, for example, I have friends, and I don't, for example, like you from all the friends, for example, I will serve everyone a normal glass like this, but I will come to you and I will make it full. It's a way to make you suffer, so if you want to drink it will be too hot for your finger. Even if you see them, they are green now, but whenever we put hot water, they will expand and we get them bigger, like leaves. You see, they are leaves now. Wow. So from what we have there to what we have in here. In general, this is a dirty one. I will keep it in the side to throw it later. We will not drink it. And the first one is clean, and we'll return it back. It's not necessary to throw it.
Let's try some of this Moroccan tea. How is it?
Really nice with the lemongrass.
Let's give it a go. Oh, I think it does need some sugar.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does. It does need some sugar.
She knows what she's
Yeah.
talking about.
We have the chef. He's getting everything ready for us.
Everything's ready now.
Just washing the chicken.
I just wash it with some vinegar and water,
Okay.
and then let's cook it.
Let's do it. After making the green tea, it was now time to start marinating the meat. So guys, what I love about this cooking class specifically, it's very, very local, because this house here is where the teacher essentially lives. Her family lives up there, and the cooking class they're holding down here. Alright guys, chef's jumper is officially on. That means cooking time is about to start.
I will just show you how it's cooked, but you will do the whole thing yourself. I'm not cooking for you, you cook for yourself today.
So guys, this is the saffron here, and what she's letting us know is with the saffron, the best way to know if it's real or fake is if it's got yellow and red together.
Both colors
together, right. And that's how you can figure it out. Also, the smell.
It needs to be
Whoa,
strong.
that's really strong.
You know which one is the fake one?
Which one?
It's, you know the corn, the fresh corn, is the hair around. They dyed and they sell it like a saffron. This is why I'm saying be careful, because it can be fake and it's just the color. It can give you the color but no flavor, and you have to pay a lot for just the color. It's not necessary to buy the color, we say.
Excited?
Yeah, so guys, my first job today is to peel the parsley,
Very important.
make it fresh for everybody.
Do you boys know what you're actually doing?
Yeah, we're professional. Just doing this. Yeah. Gordon Ramsay, if you're watching, I'm coming for you.
You'll be like, use a normal knife.
Yeah, you're like, what are you doing with it?
Super angry at you.
Go on, show us the skill.
Yeah.
So you just basically all you have to
But
do
it was
is
fresh,
just swing the
it's
knife
just
very
really
comfortably,
depending on
side by
On
side.
doit rafler
And then-
les tomates. Il y a il y a déjà la tomate avant.
Look at that.
You're getting there, yeah? Very good.
To cook your aubergine or eggplant, it can be with different ways. I prefer the fire because it gives a nice smokiness around.
So 30 minutes is going to be the beef or lamb tagine, this one.
And we have
Beef?
the lamb.
Oh, this is lamb, okay.
Lamb tagine for 30 minutes, and we open to see if it's done or we need a little bit more time.
Okay, awesome.
So on the fire. And now you are bringing your husband, like you push him to
So
come.
he starts cooking. This is the whole point.
Alright, so now you have no choice. That's it. You will have to cook now. Well, let's make him do something. Let's make him do something.
This was the marination stage where I was starting to add oil and season all the chicken. Look at the colour of the turmeric, guys. So good. It's very important you put the right amount of spices to get the correct flavour in once complete. So like this, yeah?
We don't want a human meat inside,
No.
okay?
Are you sure?
We don't want a human tagine.
Yes, and in here.
We don't know that.
And then go the back of the garlic, it will be like this, and then it will be better and easier for you to drink.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are you feeling like a chef yet?
Yeah, the pressure is on, everyone is watching. It's more pressure than the video itself. She is now adding the fermented lemon, which gives the tagine the famous lemon flavour.
Practice some more. Am I? Come on, chicken.
Dace is now adding all the marination into the meat, making sure that all the flavours get sucked into the meat, ready for the cooking.
We never stir it, never. You keep it on the fire until it's, you can open it if you want, and you can add water if you want, if we need some, but we never mix it because the onion have to keep staying in the bottom.
Okay guys, So everyone now is cleaning the aubergines up because that is what gives it the ultimate taste right at the end. That gives it that mushy, smoky taste. And everyone is essentially dissecting aubergines. Something I've never seen before, but obviously very famous here in Morocco. This aubergine was honestly one of the best aubergines I've ever tasted. So much flavour and smokiness to it. It was absolutely unbelievable. Basically a Moroccan style samosa here.
It's called brouat.
Brouat. Cooked with cucumber, carrots.
And zucchini also.
And zucchini, wow. Looking forward to tasting it. Okay guys, now they're going to fill up the pastries that you see just there with the fritters, almost like potato fritters, but with zucchini and the carrots.
That corner have to touch the opposite line. Take the corner and go to the opposite line. You flat your dough or your paste with your hand. Anything coming out, you bring it inside again. Close the corner and then you go to the opposite line again. So then we already get that triangle. You close again and you go to the opposite line.
I'm not really the best at these things, but
There you go, you done it.
Oh my god.
Well done guys. Oh, look at that.
Some more
This is
time
the
on
lamb.
that.
Oh my god, look at that. Wow. So how long typically for each dish?
I think 45 minutes for the whole thing.
So what's the purpose of people in Morocco using these tagines then? Like,
I think it's an old dish, and it's also what is nice with it that you don't really have to keep doing a lot. You just put it on the fire. You don't stir it. You don't have to keep washing.
Right.
And even if it's burned, it protects. It doesn't give this bitterness. It gives more flavors. So
right. It
we
can't really burn.
Yeah, and even if it happens and it's just more flavors, it doesn't give a bad flavor.
So guys, this is a smoked aubergine. I don't know if you guys have ever had it before, but it just, you can smell it so much. Very, very strong. Has that smoky taste. Alright guys, I would like to say that I did most of this cooking, but I think the ladies and everybody else did most of the work. So now the table is officially served and we're just waiting for all the food to finally finish being cooked, and we're going to be having 3 different types of tagines as well as some beautiful vegetables to go with it. Okay guys, the tagines have officially arrived, and this one here is like a meatball tagine. They call it kofta. And this one here is the chicken, and we've got some lamb over there. And we've got some Moroccan style samosas which are cooked in zucchini and carrots. How is it? Very nice.
it's so yummy.
So guys, I've got here some of that chicken tagine, got some potatoes, samosas, we've got the smoked aubergine. Honestly, the food is so good, absolutely incredible. It just tastes really homey and just out of this world. And I'll be honest guys, I think Moroccan food now is definitely up there with my top 3. Incredible. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, do what our little man says here, and like and
share,
subscribe. Woof, woof. That's where we'll end it, guys.
Go see that. This is
Like
the site.
and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.